What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find the critical points. Critical points are those points that make f prime equals to either 0 or make it undefined. Let's find out the derivative. We need to use the quotient rule. F prime x is going to be the derivative of the numerator, which is going to be 2x minus 1 times denominator, which is x minus 1 minus numerator times derivative of denominator, which is 1, divided by x minus 1 to the power of 2. Then you simplify it. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times negative 1, negative 2x. Negative 1 times x, negative x. Negative 1 times negative 1 plus 1. Then you have negative x squared plus x minus 4 divided by x minus 1 squared. Then x and negative x cancels out. 2x squared minus x squared is going to be x squared minus 2x. Negative 4 and positive 1 is going to be negative 3 divided by x minus 1 to the power of 2. Then I need to factor numerator. When you factor it, it's going to be x minus 3 times x plus 1 over x minus 1 squared. Now we need to figure out what numbers make f prime equals to 0, what numbers make f prime equals to, makes it undefined. So when f prime equals to 0, it means that x minus 3 times x plus 1 is equals to 0, so it has to be x equals to 3 or x equals to negative 1. So these are two of the critical points. Now f prime undefined is going to be when the denominator is 0, which when x equals to 1 makes the denominator 0, so the whole thing is going to be undefined. So we have three critical points: negative 1, positive 1 and positive 3. Now let's see if any of them is local minimum, local maximum, or neither. So we're going to have a table x minus 3, x plus 1, x minus 1 squared. And here we have f prime. So the numbers is going to be negative 1, plus 1, and 3. These are going to be all three critical points we got. And here negative infinity, here we have positive infinity. For each region, we want to find out if f prime is positive or f prime is negative. We know for each region it doesn't change. It's going to be the same for the whole region. Now for simplicity, for negative infinity to negative 1, I'm going to assume a number, negative 2. From negative 1 to 1, 0. 1 to 3, let's choose 2. And from 3 to infinity, let's choose 5. And then we find out the sign in each side. Negative 2 and negative 3, that's negative. Negative 2 and plus 1 is negative. Negative 2 minus 1 to the power of 2 is going to be positive. 0 minus plus plus. 2 minus plus plus. And 5 plus plus plus. Negative times negative times positive, positive. Negative times positive times positive, negative. So as you see here, it is increasing, then decreasing, then again decreasing, then it's increasing. So it means that we have one minimum and one maximum, and here is undefined, as we saw it in the previous page. So we have x equals to negative 1 is local max. X equals to plus 1 is neither. And x equals to 3 is going to be local mean. So these are going to be the situation of these three critical points. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding calculus, chemistry, and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.